Hello. So I have a lot of people on my Instagram DM, my WhatsApp private chat, and on my groups complaining that they are not able to surf or use the Canva app to design their flyers and to design graphics for their product. So in this video, I'll be showing you the basic steps required to use the Canva app. It's quite easy to use, and it generates results. It produces very fine images. So the first thing you should do is go to Play Store, download the Canva app. It has a blue icon with a C in white color. Download the Canva app and open your app. So I have the app already and I'm signed up. I'm registered on the app. So I just click on my app to open. But if you're downloading for the first time, you might have to sign up before you can use the app. So this is how the Canva app looks like. Now I will just be showing you basic steps to design something on the Canva app. So if you want to start a new design, there are different. You can either start a new design using your own template or your own design from scratch, or you use a ready-made template on the app. So I'll be showing us first how to create your own template from scratch. You click on the blue icon that has a plus icon by the bottom right corner of the app. Now, what kind of size do you want? The first size you would see there, as you can see, is for an Instagram post, and it has a 1080 by 1080 pixel. See, the next here is for Instagram story. So it means that if we want to design for an Instagram post, we can use the first one. If we want to design for an Instagram story, we can use the other one. For Facebook cover, for WhatsApp story, for Twitter post, for Pinterest graphic, blog burner, YouTube thumbnail, Snapchat geo filter, Facebook ad, photo collage, and lots more. So let's just stick to Instagram posts since most of us are Instagram vendors. You select the Instagram post. You click on the white check sign by the top right corner of the app. So it's gonna bring up the template. So you can now start editing the template. You tap on the template to edit. Now you grant Canva permission to access your storage, access your contact, and access everything before you can use it. So I'll do that now. So you can add your pictures, add images from the app, choose your text color and whatever. So depending on the version of your app, you might have slight differences from what you see here presently, but the same content. It might just have different arrangements because this is a tab. So to add text, you click on the text icon to add image. You click on the image icon to add graphic. You click on the graphic icon. Now I'll be showing you a simple design I created recently and how I created it. So I chose graphic first. I scrolled through the graphics, and I scrolled through the graphic. There's a particular graphic I used. Okay, I chose this graphic, the fourth one to the left on this first row, the fourth graphic on the first row. I chose it. Now, why did I choose that? Why didn't I choose the one with the black icon? Because if I choose the one with the black icon, I won't be able to change the picture inside. That's why I chose the one with a gray color. Let me show you. Now you see this is the one with the gray color. To change this color, I come on where I have this edit icon, and I have this gray color under transparency, and I click on it to change the color. It's going to bring out different colors, and I can just change the color to blue. I love blue, and I select. Now let me show you how it would have looked like if I chose the black. So I go to my plus icon again and I go to graphics, and this time around I go for the black graphics. So this is the black graphic that I chose. Have you seen how it looks like? This is it. I'm moving around the screen. Have you seen how it looks like? It can only come out in that white color. I can't change the color. I can only change the edges. For instance, if I click on the icon beneath the transparency button, I can only change the edges, as you can see. So that's what I just brought out. So I can change the edges to different color, but I can't change the inside. So I discard that. To delete anything you're working with, you simply come up to the up part of your screen and click the delete icon. Is the second icon there, so you delete. So I've just deleted that. Now this is the one I'm going to work with. So I rotate this. I just want to show you how I designed a simple flyer with multiple designs. I rotate this and then I bring it to this end of my page to make it look like this. I can choose to I can choose to expand it if I want, but I want to use this. So I've just rotated it and I brought it to this part of my page. I expanded it. So this is what I have. Now I'm going to choose another icon, another graphic. So I click on graphic again. I go for the same graphic I just used. Again, I rotate it, move it to this extreme end, okay, so this is the one I just brought out now. I'm rotating it now. So I have this. I can choose to reduce the size, and I can choose to change the color, changing that to yellow. Now I can go for another graphic by clicking the plus icon, choose graphic, and go for another graphic. So I have this here and I decide to rotate this. I rotate this and I bring this here. Okay, so here's what we have. Okay, so I'm still working on it to get a perfect design, so I can choose to change the color of that too. So here's what I have, and now I can also add other graphics. Let's assume that I want to put a price something here, so I went for a round graphics this time. So I can bring this to this end. Now I can also change the color by using on the previous method. So I want to change the color of this too. I don't want to use too many flashy colors. Okay, so I can now decide to write on this design that I have just created. So how do I write on it? You go to the plus icon again, and this time you choose text. You would see different edited text there. If you see anyone you want to use, you can choose on it. But in a case where you